Let me quickly show you how to log in to your Deepseek account. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. If you have an account of Deepseek and you're now trying to log into it, let me show you the quick process. Now if you want to use the app of Deepseek, make sure you download the app first of all. If not, and if you're using a web browser, head over to deepseek.com and then click on the Deepseek version on the left hand side. This way it's going to show you the interface of logging in. Type in your email address or your phone number that you use while creating an account. Along with that, you need to type in the password that you created while creating your account. Now, for some reason, if you forgot your password, click on the forgot password link. From there, you'll be able to follow a few extra steps to reset or recover your password. Once you type in your credentials, click on login. And there you go, you've been now logged in to your account of Deepseek. You can also follow the same process if you're using the mobile app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video to be helpful. Also make sure to hit that notification so you get notified for more future videos. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.